Hi! While it certainly is a challenge to find kitchen appliances that are worthy of your hard-earned money, it isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source to point you in the direction of the brands you can trust. Let this channel be that source. In preparing this video countdown of the top models, the team researched literally dozens of tools, ranking each one based on its performance, its affordability, and the reliability of its manufacturer, and also read real-life consumers' opinions about each product. Let's see which are the best models in this year.
The Zojirushi Mycom Water Boiler and Warmer is one of our newest water boilers. Designed to quickly heat water and keep it at the selected temperature, this water boiler is an ideal appliance for your home or office. Available in a 3 and 4 liter capacity, the stylish Mycom Water Boiler and Warmer is versatile enough to heat water for brewing teas, making coffee, preparing instant noodles or oatmeal, and blanching vegetables. To use, simply fill the container with clean water, plug in, and select the desired temperature setting on the LCD display panel. The water boiler comes with 4 selectable keep warm temperature settings: 208, 195, 175, and 160 degrees. That keeps water warm at the ideal temperature for a variety of uses. Delicate teas are best brewed at 160 degrees, while 175 degrees is the ideal brewing temperature for green teas. Oolong tea is best brewed at 195 degrees, and at 208 degrees, the hot water is great for brewing black teas and herbal teas. At 208 degrees, you can quickly bring water back to a boil to make coffee, instant noodles or oatmeal, and blanch vegetables. The Mycom Water Boiler and Warmer also comes with the optional Quick Temp mode. This convenient feature heats water to 195, 175, or 160 degrees without first bringing it to a boil. A great feature for those who prefer to use filtered water or who need to quickly heat water, saving energy and a significant amount of time. Dispensing hot water is easy using the electric dispensing system. Simply place your cup under the spout, press the unlock button, then press the dispense button. Cafe drip dispensing decreases the amount of water dispensed to 60% of the normal setting, making it suitable for brewing cafe drip coffee. The LCD panel shows the actual water temperature at all times, and the convenient delay timer function saves energy by shutting off electricity to the heater until it's time to heat water again. The lid detaches easily, convenient for disposing water. This water boiler also comes with multiple safety features, including an automatic dispense lock, auto shutoff, which turns off the heater when there's no water in the inner container, and a removable magnetic power cord which easily detaches from the machine. The non-stick coated stainless steel interior and all other food contact zones are BPA-free, and combined with an easy-to-read water level gauge, a swivel base, and a sturdy handle, the Zojirushi Mycom Water Boiler and Warmer is a great addition to your countertop. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.
At OXO, we have as many tea enthusiasts as we do coffee fanatics. So when it comes time for your favorite cup of tea, OXO's got the right kettle for the job. The OXO Classic Tea Kettle features silicone touch points both on the spout cap and handle to help resist heat. Flip the spout cap down to cover the spout and listen for the kettle to whistle when the water is boiling. Then flip the spout cap back to reveal a precise spout that won't drip while pouring. Turn the handle down to get it out of the way when filling the kettle or for storage. A large lid opening makes filling and cleaning more convenient. Seamless, high-grade stainless steel guards against rust, and the Classic Tea Kettle has a 1.7 quart capacity. Here's a good tip. At OXO, we recommend wiping down your kettle periodically, as oil splatter from cooking can wear away at the outside of your tea kettle.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Perfect Temp electric kettle. It's 1.7 liters. It can swivel all the way around, comes off the base so that you can take it to your table and serve your guests. But the really great thing about it is it can stay off the base for 2 minutes, and when you bring it back, it remembers what you programmed it to. So there's a button on the top that you press that opens the lid that allows you to take it to the sink and fill it. There's also a filter screen inside that comes out. The element is built into the base of the unit so that it's not actually in the interior. So that is really great, especially if you have high minerals in your water. This is perfect for making teas and French press coffee. A lot of people don't know that when you make specialty teas like delicate tea or green tea, a lot of people will say that they don't like the taste of green tea because it's very bitter. But the real reason is they're actually brewing the tea at the wrong temperature. For delicate teas, you use 160 degrees, green 175, white 185, oolong 190, French press 200. For black tea, you want to be at a boil. So what you do is you just press the button that you wish, it'll light up, and you hit start, and what will happen is when it gets to the proper temperature, it'll actually be ready to use. The other thing that's really nice too is there's a keep warm feature on here. You'll notice that this kettle is cordless, and how it operates is this base, when you connect the kettle to it, is how the electricity comes to the kettle to power it. This can swivel around 360 degrees. Here's your water window, which is lit up in blue. So if you want to make the perfect cup of tea, no matter what type, make sure you get the Perfect Temp Kettle by Cuisinart.